Looking for a measurement and debug partner that adapts to virtually any testing challenge? The new Series B MSO has a more powerful processor that delivers 2 times faster measurements and a 2 times more responsive user interface. Enjoy the versatility of 4 or 6 flex channel inputs. Any input can serve as 1 analog or 8 digital channels simply by changing the probes. Bandwidths up to 1.5 GHz and an impressive 12-bit ADC help you see even the smallest signal details. For even more versatility, display synchronized waveforms and RF spectrums on any analog signal. The Series B MSO is a pleasure to use with an award-winning user interface and a 13.3-inch high-definition touchscreen display. With the Series B MSO, debugging is just the beginning.